Very good morning, students. In previous topic, we have done revision about the pandas with the series and data frame. So I am continuing with the some questions here. Program with the pandas. So this is a program. This is according to board question I have written here. Write a code to create a data series. See, write a code to create a data series. We have to create a series object using a Python, using the Python list. List you have to use. Already you have done in a class level. So what is the list value? This 4, 6, 8, 10. This is a list value. Assume that. What you have to assume? Assume that pandas is imported as a aliases, name as a pd. आपने क्या करना है? पांडास को इंपोर्ट करना है, उसका नेम क्या होना चाहिए? एलाइस नेम क्या होना चाहिए? pd. You can write any name, no, there is no problem. So anything you can write over there, just here in a question written as a pd. Now see the program here. Import pandas as a pd. See, 4 line code. Import pandas as a pd. S1 equal pd dot series. I have written S1 equal pd dot series. I am creating a series. So here in a series is a function. That's why this is a normal bracket first you have to use, and square bracket for list. Remember it. Inside a normal bracket you have to use square bracket for list. So 4, 6, 8, 10 I have written here. Now अब मैंने क्या करना है? उसको नेम भी देना है. नेम क्या होना चाहिए? You can write anything over here. Print series object. So this is a title will be display and print S1. S1 को print कर दिया मैंने. When I run my program, you can view here series object is given. This is a title. This title is showing here, and this series automatically display. And these value which is assigned to the list will be displayed. So you can create your program easily in a pandas. The few line code, it is not a difficult. Before using this, you need to install pandas in your system. Now question number 2, write a code to create a series. This is another question according to board. Object using the Python sequence. Now I have to use a sequence. What is my sequence? 11, 21, 31, 41. This is a value. Any value you can assign. Just similar to list. In a square bracket, you have to separate with the comma. So now what you have to do? Assume. आपने क्या assume करना है? That pandas is imported as a aliases name as a pd. आपने assume करना है, अपने आप ही create करना है. So when you do programs, automatically you have to use it. Now import pandas as a PDs. There is a question is written, and this is a command line which you write with the hash symbol. This is a command line, and import pandas as a PD. Now S2 equal PD dot series. What I am creating here? Series. Series is written here. In a series is a function, that's why it is a normal bracket. Inside this is a 11, 21. This you can write in a square bracket. Now print series object. This is the title, and print S2. So very simple program you can do with the panda. Don't confuse the you are listening this name and you are confusing. So this is a very easy. In a few line code you can do easily. So now I am sharing with the practical. This is my program I have already done. See here. Here what you have to do, Python code creating a data frame. Data frame I am creating from dictionary, an array, dictionary or array or list. By default address will be get, right? So first I am importing pandas, import pandas as a PD. This is a import is a keyword, pandas is a Python library. We have already discussed about it. As PD means this is a alias name, temporary name. Otherwise, you can directly write pandas instead of a PD. Now, I am assigning the value. So, this is a data is a variable of dictionary. Data is a variable of dictionary. Data of list I am creating here. Inside the dictionary, I am creating a list. So, here, both you can use dictionary and list together. See here, this is a curly bracket I am using. Inside the single quotation, this I have make here key in a dictionary you have already done. After colon, I am creating a list. This is a list. What list? Inside this is a title. See, you can if you want to make any record or in your notebook, anything in your computerized record, first you give the title. Just similar to that, name is a title. Under this, these all value will be displayed. So here, this is a all student, my all of your name I have written here, and these are a name you have to enclose in a single quotation. Attar, and comma, Tanisha, Nikita, all students name is Khan I have written here, and separated with the comma. Each value enclosed in a single quotation, and you have to enclose in a double quotation, single quotation or double quotation. Now age is a key, and under this I have used a list bracket. So this is list value. So age can be written here with the separating with the comma. Now this is the part which assigning the value. Now what I have to do, I have to create a data frame. अब मैंने क्या करना है, इसका फ्रेम बनाना है, कैसे ये आउटपुट आएगा. देन मैं क्या करूंगी, डेटा फ्रेम क्रिएट करूंगी. You can see here, and df. This is the name of the data frame. You can write anything, df1, anything, it is related to data frame that I have written short name here. Equal is a assignment operator. PD, what is PD? This is a panda's name as a PD. PD dot data frame. What I am using here, data frame. Remember it, data D is a capital, frame F is a capital. So what, from which I have to create a data frame, कहाँ से मैंने डेटा लेना है, डेटा मेरा डिक्शनरी और लिस्ट से होगा. ये वाला डेटा मैंने कहाँ पर कॉल करना है, डेटा फ्रेम के अंदर, राइट. देन अब डेटा फ्रेम क्रिएट हो गया, मैंने क्रिएट किया. देन आई वांट टू प्रिंट इट, मुझे अब इसको प्रिंट करना है. देन मैं क्या करूंगी, प्रिंट df. df मेरा क्या रहेगा, विच आई एम क्रिएटिंग अ डेटा फ्रेम. और किस में स्टोर हो रहा है, df के अंदर. सिंपली मैं क्या करूंगी, प्रिंट df. So when I run my program, you can view, this is a name is a title. Under this all the name is displaying here. Age is a title. Under this age is a display under C. You can write this data frame, which is a series, automatically coming here, this name. First record will be in a 0th position. So 0, 1, 2, 3. There are 8 records, but beginning with the 0. So last will be -1. So these value you can display nicely. Anything data frame, it is not a difficult chapter. You can do easily. So another, I am sharing another program. This is another program. So first I am importing my pandas in a, this is a importing package. Now I am defining a value. See, I have written a title here. Define a dictionary containing a employee data. This is I have make a employee record. So data, data is a variable of all list and dictionary. Equal is a assignment operator here. Now I am creating a first dictionary. This is a name is a key, age is a key, address is a key, qualification is a key. Now name. Inside a name, I am defining a value. These are a value. First I have written Sahil, Parth, Kunal and Rajveer. You can write more record also. Any record, there is a no fixed value here. You can write anything. So these I have written a age. Now address I am writing. These are addresses I have written. You can write your address. You can make your program. Now I have written a qualification. This is a key, and these under qualification, these are a values. You have to enclose in a single quotation. So remember it, all the values which are enclosed in a characters, that must be enclosed in a single quotation. And these you can see Rajveer and all I have written. Then address, address I have written here, and age is a numeric value, that's why I have written directly. And string value I have enclosed in a single quotation. You can write a double quotation also. Qualification, it is a string value, so this I have enclosed in a single quotation separated with the comma. You can write also double quotation. So this is the part of the initialization value into a any variable. So now PD equal, now PD equal, df equal PD dot data frame. Df is a variable, equal is a assignment operator, PD dot data frame. I am creating data frame of it. From where? I am taking data from here. All the data is a holding all these values. What is holding data? It is holding all these values. Now df is a variable. You can write any variable. It is related to data frame. That's why I have written a df. And if you also write a data underscore frame equal pd, which is a panda's name, dot data frame. So data, this value. And now I have to select only two columns here. What I'll do, I can display all the values. See, here only two, name and qualification is displaying, age and address not showing. See, I'll show you. Then you can view here. You can view, this is the only name and qualification is displaying. Now I am changing the so see here I am changing another. I am printing first two column. Next I am printing all the columns which is inside the data frame. So I'll simply write print df. So what it will do, df is a holding all the values, all the column name, age, address and qualification. It will display all the columns with the value. See, you can view previous and new output. You can view previous. I have only written here name and qualification. So it is showing name and qualification. Now I have display all the value. You can see here. This is name, age, address and qualification. So I am showing again. See, this is name, age, address, and qualification. All the value is showing with the print df. So it is display all the values with these keys: name, age, address, and qualification here. And previous this one, you can view particular column only, or full all the columns also. All the columns and किसी एक कॉलम, किसी दो कॉलम को, और ऑल कॉलम्स जो आपने डेटा डिफाइन कर रखा है उनको भी डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं. सीधे इन द फ्यू लाइन कोड यू कैन create your data frame, data series. See, this series automatically it will display. It is automatically coming with the related to records. Now I am sharing another screen. This is a program. Now next program. So see, write a program to create a series object using a individual character. See, write a program to create a series. You have to create a series object using individual character. Individual character आपको लेना है, उसका क्या होगा? O, H and O. So this is a solution I am creating. To create, this is a remark line O, H, E. Right? This is a not a O, this is a E. So import pandas as a PD. See, Q line code. Import pandas as a PD. Right? PDs को pandas को as a aliases name लिखेंगे PD. And S3 is a variable name equal PD dot series. मैं यहाँ पर क्या कर रही हूँ? सीरीज क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. मेरा नंबर वैल्यू नहीं है, यहाँ पर कैरेक्टर वैल्यू है. सी, सीरीज किसका क्रिएट कर रही हूँ मैं? OHE. These are a value enclosed in a single quotation. Inside a normal bracket, you have to use a square bracket. And because it is a character value, so I am enclosing in a single quotation, separating by comma. Now, print series object. This is a title. Any title you can write. And print S3. S3 में क्या कर रहा है? ये series create कर रहा है. When you run your program, see, 0, 1, 2. This is a series automatically occur. This is a value which is inside the OHE. Any value you can write here. That will also not numeric value. Even string value also it will display. Now question number 4. Write a Python program to create a series. आपको क्या करना है? Series create करना है. Series object using a string. अब यहाँ पर क्या लेना है आपको? String आपका क्या रहेगा? Thank you. Any string you can take. Now solution कैसे करना है आपको? Import pandas as a PD. As usual, you have to import. This is a very important. If you are making a pie chart, bar chart, all charts, you have to use a matplotlib with the pie plot. If you are creating a data frame with the series with the pandas, then you have to use pandas with a PD. So अगर आप क्या करेंगे, मैटप्लॉटलिब आप यूज करते हैं, उसमें पाइप्लॉट आपको यूज करना है, और numpy भी आपको यूज करना है. सो न्यूमेरिकल डेटा आपको यूज करना है. सो numpy आल्सो यूज इन अ मैटप्लॉटलिब. तो यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है? आपका इंपोर्ट कर दिया मैंने. देन S4 क्या है? मेरा वेरिएबल है. इक्वल PD डॉट सीरीज. मैं यहाँ पर क्या क्रिएट कर रही हूँ? सीरीज क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. नॉर्मल ब्रैकेट में मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? उसके बाद मैंने क्या लिया? स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. देन इसके अंदर कोई भी कोटेशन, डबल कोटेशन, सिंगल कोटेशन में कोई भी स्ट्रिंग आप लिख सकते हो, कोई भी लाइन लिख सकते हैं. तो सिंगल कोटेशन में थैंक यू लिखा मैंने, यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. देन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में क्लोज करूंगी, और नॉर्मल ब्रैकेट जो है सीरीज का है. देन मैं क्या करूंगी? प्रिंट सीरीज ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इज माय टाइटल. ये कहाँ पर डिस्प्ले होगा? यहाँ पर. नाउ प्रिंट S4. जो मैं डिस्प्ले कराना चाह रही हूँ थैंक यू, वो कहाँ पर होगा? S4. उसको प्रिंट कर दिया मैंने. सो ऑब्जेक्ट मेरा यहाँ पर डिस्प्ले हो रहा है, सीरीज ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इज अ टाइटल and 0 location में मेरा क्या display हो रहा है, thank you. So long string also you can display in a pandas with a series. Don't confuse only numeric, only string. You can write anything, numbers as well as string also you can display in a pandas series or data frame. See question number 5. Write a Python program to create a series. आपको क्या करना है, सीरीज क्रिएट करना है. ऑब्जेक्ट यूजिंग 3 डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. आपको क्या लेना है, 3 डिफरेंट वर्ड्स लेना है. इसमें प्रीवियस एग्जांपल में क्या था, एक थैंक यू, 2 वर्ड को मैंने कंबाइन किया हुआ था. यहाँ पर 3 डिफरेंट वर्ड लेना है आपको. वर्ड्स क्या है आपका, लैपटॉप, डेस्कटॉप, स्मार्टफोन. तो आपको क्या करना है, see you can remark as a this question here. Import pandas as a pd. This I have imported in your program. s5 equal pd dot series. मैंने क्या करना है, सीरीज क्रिएट करना है. नॉर्मल ब्रैकेट मेरा स्टार्ट होगा, देन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर डबल कोटेशन में मैंने लैपटॉप लिखा, कॉमा डेस्कटॉप लिखा डबल कोटेशन में, कॉमा डबल कोटेशन में स्मार्टफोन लिखा, देन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट मैंने क्लोज किया. ये किसका है, जो मेरा इसके अंदर सीरीज के अंदर लिस्ट में डिफाइन कर रही हूँ, दैट इज अ क्लोज. नाउ मैं क्या करूंगी, प्रिंट सीरीज ऑब्जेक्ट. ये मेरा टाइटल रहेगा, आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर. देन प्रिंट s5, इसको जो सीरीज क्रिएट कर रहा है उसको प्रिंट कर देगा. सी हियर series object, this is a title. 0 1 2 3 values are there, 0 1 2 3, then laptop, desktop, smartphone. So you can write a character value. This number series automatically create over here. So these all program you have to try at home and send me a screenshot of your program as well as you have to perform in your computer. Then thank you.